This 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2470BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, air conditioning, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, Skylight, Slideout, leveling jacks, microwave, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2470BH is 6,406 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.